Hello there! In this video, we'll walk you through how to install and set up essential add-ons for Elementor, starting with the free version. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Head over to the left sidebar, hover over Plugins, and click on Add New Plugin. In the search bar at the top right, type in Essential Add-ons. The plugin should appear right at the top of your search results. Click the Install Now button. Once the installation is complete, click Activate to turn the plugin on. This will launch the setup wizard. Click Proceed to Next Step and choose your preferred configuration mode. Basic is recommended for beginners. Next, you can toggle specific elements on or off. This keeps your site lightweight by only loading exactly what you need. Go ahead and click Next through the recommended plugins and integrations, then hit Finish to complete the setup. Awesome! The free version is now active. From the Essential Add-ons dashboard in your sidebar, you will find all the elements and extensions ready to use for free. Now, if you want to unlock advanced features, let's look at how to install Essential Add-ons Pro. Head over to the official Essential Add-ons website. Click on Get Plugin and choose the pricing plan that best fits your needs. Fill out your personal and billing details at checkout. You can also apply a discount code if you have one, and then hit Pay to complete your purchase. Once the purchase is complete, log into your WPDeveloper account profile. Under My Products, you'll see your newly purchased plugins. Click the Download button to get the plugin zip file, and don't forget to click and copy your license key right next to it. Go back to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, click Add New, and then click Upload Plugin at the top. Click Choose File, select the Pro zip file you just downloaded, and click Install Now. Once WordPress finishes unpacking and installing the package, click Activate Plugin. Now navigate to the Essential Add-ons tab in your sidebar. Under the General Settings, paste your copied key into the license field and click Activate License. Perfect! Your Pro version is successfully unlocked. You can now go into your Elements and Extensions tabs to enable all the premium widgets, hit Save Settings, and start building your dream website. Was this video helpful? Do not forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Elementor tutorials.